Hayley Verrall. So take it away, girls.
Alright, I'm gonna try one out, obviously, but let's see how it goes. This is How I Miss You. It's a really sad, sad breakup song. Put on my high heels, the ones you never let me wear. I put it off in diet blonde, you love my long brown hair. Me and the girls have found something to do. So baby, this is how I miss you. I traded in that beat-up truck, the one you love to drive. Got a new red two-seater to show off my wild side. Picking up my best friend like we got nothing to lose. So this is how I miss you. This is how I miss your life in the driver's seat. Sure love I love you. This is how I miss you. Me missing you tonight in a short black skirt. I don't need no liquid courage, baby, I know how this works. A tall drink of water is taking me home. So, missing you did last long. This is how I miss your life in the driver's seat. Sure love I love you. This is how I miss you. No, I'm sure now missing you.
Dixieland. And here is Hayley Verrall.
This song talks about love and how everyone deserves that someone, whether it's someone that's there for you or someone to love. So this is my original called Someone. As I lay here on my own, dreaming that I'm not alone, hoping someday I will have found someone who feels the same. I don't want to spend the rest of my life waiting, wishing that love didn't exist. Everyone deserves the feeling, feel loved by someone, by someone. As I look out my window, dreaming of a shooting star, hoping you're out there some way, somewhere not too far away. I don't want to spend the rest of my life waiting, wishing that love didn't exist. Everyone deserves the feeling of being loved by someone, by someone. I know there's something for me. Why is it never easy to find someone who loves the rest of my life waiting, wishing that love didn't exist. Everyone deserves the feeling being loved by someone, by someone. I'll spend the rest of my life searching for that special someone for me. I deserve the feeling being loved by someone, by someone.
Hayley Verrall.
Okay.
She's
set the
J.C.
bar.
Man.
She set the bar. All right. Now I'm going to do my sad and depressing song. And it actually is this time. You know, everybody has to have a drinking song, right? So I guess this is mine. Whiskey turns him into something he shouldn't be. The devil living in his soul twists reality. The hurt and pain that he causes me tells me that the whiskey don't love me. I hope to find a way to see him through. No matter what I tried, there was nothing I could do. The devil kept calling and now I see whiskey just don't love me. Whiskey won't love me no matter what I say. It took away the man who took my breath away. I wanted to love him but had to set him free. Whiskey won't share him with me. Whiskey don't love me, a fight I just can't win. When will this living nightmare ever end? I know I'll always love him, but not what he came to be. Whiskey will never love me. Whiskey won't love me, no matter what I say. It took away the man who took my breath away. I wanted to love him, but had to set him free. Whiskey won't share him with me. When he chose the burning whiskey, there was no place left for me. Whiskey won't love me no matter what I say. It took away the man who took my breath away. I wanted to love him but had to set him free. Whiskey won't share him with me. Whiskey will never share him with me.
J.C. Man. And what's in here is Hayley Verrall.
Thank you. That was an awesome song.
Thank you.
One of my songs I'm going to do next is a drinking song as well. Woo! If you guys have a drink, be sure to raise it up. Let's start early. This is called Grown Up Now. Boots up, sip that red cup, talk about love. Wherever you are, pick the dust up with your pickup on a dirt road. Wherever you are, as the sun sunset slow. Lost the radio. Feel young driving around out of town, yeah. 'Cause I'm all grown up now, 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 now. Now, 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 now. Fish that tent up, drink it all up, pour a new cup wherever you are. Start it on the weekend with a full can wherever you are. As the sun sets slow, lost radio. Feeling like a party bound out of town, yeah. 'Cause I'm all grown up now, 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 now. Now, 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 now. Drinking all night. Do we see the sunrise? Feel young, party bound out of town, yeah. 'Cause I'm all grown up now, 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 now. Now, 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 now. Party on the weekend with your friends wherever you are. 'Cause I'm all grown up now, 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 now. Now, 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 now. 'Cause I'm all grown up now, 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 now. Now, 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 now. 'Cause I'm all grown up now.
Hayley Verrall. Here we go, we're both from JC Lynn.
Thank you for having me, Debbie. It's always an honor to play here.
Appreciate you playing.
I love you, Debbie. All right, now I'm going to do a Jesus song, because after all that, we need some Jesus, guys. How did I get this far down? Where do I go? How do you give me answers to questions I don't even know? Yes, Lord, I know it's part of your master plan. And yes, I trust you, but I still don't understand. And I hit my knees and I pray to you. When I'm too weak to stand, your love's what I cling to. When my tears start falling, making that river rise, you send me a paddle and the strength to ride the tide. When it seems the glass is shattered and my hope is gone, you've made a stained glass window so the beauty lives on. And I hit my knees and I pray to you. When I'm too weak to stand, your love's what I cling to. When my tears start falling, making that river rise, you send me a paddle and the strength to ride the tide. I hit my knees and I pray to you. When I'm too weak to stand, your love's what I cling to. When my tears start falling, making that river rise, you send me a paddle and the strength to ride the tide.
JC Lynn. And we got one more from Hayley Verrall.
Thank you. Thank you, Debbie, for putting me on. I really appreciate it. I came all the way from Canada.
Hey.
Thank you for playing.
No problem. This last time I do is one that goes out to all the women out there, because guys, you gotta love us like you mean it. So this is called Like You Mean It. You say we're together, we will weather the storm. That doesn't make me feel better when you're not there to keep me warm. We've been together for years. Now something else is on your mind. How can that be true when you're home past midnight? You gotta love me like you mean it. You gotta show me this is real. I'm all torn up and broken down. I gotta open up to heal. You gotta love me like you mean it. You gotta show me that you care. Your words don't mean enough. You're never there to love me like you mean it. You say you're in this forever. You don't understand my pain. You think just words can make it better. You can't see my heart break. You gotta love me like you mean it. You gotta show me this is real. I'm all torn up and broken down. I gotta open up to heal. You gotta love me like you mean it. You gotta show me that you care. Your words don't mean enough when you're never there to love me like you mean it. Woo! It's over now, you lost your chance. My heart is set free. I'm moving on so you won't see what you meant to me. You gotta love me like you mean it. You gotta show me this is real. I'm all torn up and broken down. This isn't how a woman should feel. You gotta love me like you mean it. You gotta love me like you mean it. You gotta love me like you mean it. Thank you.
Hayley Verrall. And that was just me. Great job, girls. Thank you. Coming up next, we got Dave Alexander, Nick